Alrighty. So when I'm rotating clockwise, which way am I going? To the right, correct? So here's what I know about rotations. Rotations, with the exception of 180 degree, swap my x and y. Now, if you also draw on the arrow, you'll also notice it's pointing to the one on the right, which, by the way, has the sign change. Which way is a counterclockwise 90? So left. Watch this. Which way is it pointing? To the one on the left that has the sign change. Swap them. The one on the left has a sign change. Which is why 8, 9, and 10 become a whole lot faster and a whole lot easier. So if I rotate to the right, they swap. The one on the right's negative or changes sign. If I rotate to the left, the one on the left is the one that has the sign change and it's negative or positive. 180 degrees. How many Stranger Things fans do I got in here? None? Okay, maybe a few. So the easiest way to explain this is for Stranger Things fans, it's like the upside down. It looks the exact same, but everything's wrong. So, it looks the exact same, but everything's wrong. The signs are different. That's how I remember 180 degrees. For everybody who's not Stranger Things fans, basically the upside down is everything looks the exact same, but the air's not really breathable, and there's a whole lot of bad things in there versus a whole lot of good things in our world. All right. So, we obviously start off with our original XY. So remember, XY. Do they stay in the same order? So I'm seeing a head shake. So they switch sides. Which one changed its sign, X or Y? Remember, this is still an X. So X changed the sign. So if the one on the right's negative, which way did I rotate? Right or left? Which one had a sign change? The one on the right or the one on the left? Real quick, hold up the hand you write with. Oh no, I asked which hand you write with. Hold up the hand you write with. Do me a flavor real quick. So with the exception of Jupiter, looks like Ollie and Dana, everybody else in here writes with their right hand. Guys, if you don't know your right and left, that's how you can help yourself. I write with my right hand unless I was the 3 people I just mentioned. So, which one had a sign change? The one on the right or the one on the left? Opposite of what you write with. So, which way is that? Clockwise or counterclockwise? I guess we need to graph it? Because if we can't answer a simple question, guys, we're going to graph it, and this is what we're going to do with our time today. Talk to me. Which way am I rotating? Clockwise. It's a 90-degree clockwise. All right, talk me through the next one. Yes, CW, clockwise. What's happening with my X and Y? They switched. Which one had a sign change? Did they both have a sign change? Okay, Kara, why did Y have a sign change? How do you know? And what was it before? All right, so which way am I rotating? What'd you say? Left? Which would be counterclockwise, right? Now, you also have that this could have been 270 degrees clockwise. If you're not sure which one it is, remember 90 plus 270 equal 360. All right. What about my last one? Did they change sides? Remember, I'm half deaf, y'all. What did y'all say? Did they change sides?
No. Yes. No.
Do I still have a 6 and then a 1?
Yes.
Okay. Did they have sign changes?
Yes.
Which one? So what rotation is that?
Clockwise.
Okay. Kara, did you say something or did Kayla say something? 180. Remember, if they're both the same order, but they're both negative, all they did was flop sides. All right, let me ask you all a question. Do rotations preserve or change the orientation of the figure? All right, if you notice, I have a change all but with which rotation?
360.
Why is it 360, Kara?
Because you don't have to move it at all.
Yeah, you don't have to move. Yeah. All right. What about this? Do rotations preserve or change the orientation of the vertices? That means your edges. They what? They preserve? So take your hand and wave it, but a half wave one way. Are your fingers still facing the exact same direction they were?
No.
So, were they up? Now they're sideways, right? Did they preserve the same orientation?
Oh, orientation. No.
So they change, right? So I'm going to go ahead and put on here change. Okay, what would not change it?
360.
Okay, change is all